Growing tomatoes can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. Here are some easy tips to help you get started and achieve a successful harvest. 1. Choose the right location. Tomatoes thrive in full sun, so select a spot in your garden or balcony that receives at least 6-8 hours of sunlight per day. 2. Use quality soil. Ensure your soil is well-draining, fertile, and rich in organic matter. Consider adding compost or well-rotted manure to improve soil health. 3. Select the right variety. There are numerous tomato varieties available, each with different growth habits and fruit sizes. Choose a variety that suits your growing conditions and preferences. 4. Start with young plants. While growing tomatoes from seeds is possible, it's easier for beginners to start with young, healthy seedlings from a nursery or garden center. 5. Planting. Transplant your tomato seedlings outdoors after the last frost date for your area. Ensure that the soil has warmed up, as tomatoes don't like cold temperatures. 6. Provide support. Tomatoes are vines and will benefit from support as they grow. Use stakes, cages, or trellises to help them stay upright and prevent fruit from touching the ground. 7. Watering. Tomatoes need consistent watering throughout their growth, especially during hot and dry periods. Water deeply at the base of the plant, avoiding wetting the foliage. 8. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the plants to retain moisture. Suppress weeds and regulate soil temperature. 9. Fertilizing. Use a balanced fertilizer or one specifically formulated for tomatoes. Follow the instructions on the package and avoid over-fertilizing, as it can lead to excessive foliage growth with fewer fruits. 10. Pruning. While not mandatory, pruning can help improve air circulation and reduce disease risk. Pinch off suckers, small shoots that grow between the main stem and branches, to focus the plant's energy on fruit production. 11. Pest and disease management. Keep an eye out for common tomato pests like aphids, caterpillars, and whiteflies. Use natural or organic methods whenever possible to control them. Similarly, practice good garden hygiene and remove any diseased plants promptly to prevent the spread of infections. 12. Harvesting. Harvest tomatoes when they reach their full color and are slightly soft to the touch. Gently twist or cut the fruits from the plant to avoid damaging the stems. 13. Rotate crops. To avoid soil-borne diseases and nutrient depletion, avoid planting tomatoes in the same spot each year. Rotate them with other crops in your garden. By following these tips and giving your tomatoes the care they need, you'll be well on your way to enjoying delicious homegrown tomatoes throughout the growing season. Happy gardening!